Alright, and we should be live now. Yeah, everything seems to be working good. Okay. So, welcome to the stream. I've been kind of putting off doing game dev work for a while now, so I figured what better way I guess I'm actually do some work than to do a stream. So I think the last day we got working, I maximize. We could drag this around, we could drop it. That's cool. Oh, oh. That's fine, fine and dandy. So, next thing we need to do is I think they want to have like it's gonna be like a pile of 3 different types of food is the idea. You gotta sort through. So next is basically gotta do when you drop out something. We're also gonna need to we're gonna set up a lot more than just that today. So so we're gonna need blah, blah, like a drop spot script, and we'll work on that soon. But first thing we need to go and do is we need to go make basically a way to differentiate between 3 different types of food. I think it's supposed to be like bird seed and or no, maybe it's 3 types of kibble. I don't remember exactly what it is, but yeah. So I think with memory game, I create a whole bunch of pairs. Bird, yes. Bird seeds. Yeah, I create a whole bunch of pairs. So I think with this, it's the sorting game. A new scriptable object type of food type. And let me think. Let me see. We go back into the code itself. Yeah. So we need to go make sure this inherits from a scriptable object. We don't need any of this anymore. We need more sleep here, though it doesn't seem to be getting better. Listen, my voice is not better. I'll give you that. But I am feeling much better. It's just my voice. So, aside from that, though, I am feeling much better than I was. So, I am getting better. It's a little slow. I'm just kind of congested. That's pretty much it now. So, yeah. So just my voice is the only thing that's wrong with me pretty much right now. So, uh, let's see. Let's make another file. Oh, wrong. That's the wrong button. Create a new script. We'll call this foods. We'll put the scripted here. What we're trying to work on today? This is another game I've been working on with the kind of the lab I'm doing stuff with. It's probably gonna be my last game I work on with the lab, if we're being honest, unless they start paying me. So, but this is a sorting mini game for that game. So, I think it's dog kibble. Oh, this is gonna be cat kibble. I don't know if maybe it's called cat kibble. But, and then I think it's birdseed. Or some other type of kibble, I don't even know. I don't know what the plan is for this game entirely, honestly, so. So then let's make yeah, just make it public. Why not? Public foods, uh, food type, This might be it, honestly. I can't think of anything else that needs to be inside this file. I mean, we just really be able to tell what type of food it's supposed to be. So yeah, so I think that's really all we need for this. Oh, well wait, I knew one thing I still need to actually have. Hold on. I need a... Let's create asset thing. We'll call it food, not FOD, food type. Alright. So now I think that means we should be able to go back into Unity. Let's make another folder. We'll call this, I'll make this the, just call this foods. Let's call it sorting foods. Make a new food type. This will be dog. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Leviathan 7. We having a good day? This will be the cat one, and we'll change this food type to cat kibble. And we'll make this bird. And we'll get rid of the bird seed. Was decent, that's good to hear. Or you're obviously didn't get the best, but it could have been worse, so. Let me think. So we now have these 3 scriptable objects. So, shoot. Minigame canvas. Worked 5 hours painting sprites in my Scratch game. Ooh. Yeah, I can imagine it takes a while to paint sprites, but at least sounds like you probably make some progress then in 5 hours, though, I would assume. So let's see, go to the sorting piece script. 500 sprites in 5 hours. Wow. That's impressive. You're averaging 100 sprites an hour, so. Well, averaging, no, you did 100 sprites an hour, so. Well, I guess that next average maybe right, but, you know. Actually, yeah, I'll make it private for now, yeah. I mean, I don't think I've ever even worked on a game that's required 500 sprites before. Well, 5 hours detailing. Well, okay, well, I mean, you know, that's still doing a lot of work, so that's just, you're still completing 500 sprites pretty much. Well, I don't know if you completed all 500 of them, but. We have to forget her for that now. That's really probably pretty much it, I would think. Someone in the Twitch chat needs to be knighted. Well, head over, Hunky. Yesterday I worked 13 full hours on it, making the RPG part of my game work, plus drew basic sprites. You are one talent on this game then. Gotta knock it out. I see. That's a good, honestly. I've had a lot of projects if I want to go work on myself more, but I kind of just don't have. I just stop working on them for whatever reason. So it's good to kind of power through sometimes. I feel like. Okay, so we got that in there. Now we can work on this drag drop. Not the drag drop, the drop type. But I still see so many more sprites. Yeah, I mean, I guess if you're making an RPG, I now see why you have so many sprites. I've only worked on pretty basic games. Like I said, I've never needed 500 sprites in any game I've worked on so far, so I can only imagine how complex of a game you're trying to make. So, nope, that's our right place. Drag, drop. Drop spots. That's at this file. Here it is, finally. So, we're gonna need the iDrop handler. And we're gonna need the onDrop. Which still might, a lot of this is from another game. I'm reusing code, so it doesn't really matter for any of that. Actually, we're not doing any of this either. Yeah, we really don't need any of this, so. Okay, so now that this is in, let's see. Do we have a sorting manager in play yet? Sorting game. Yeah, we do have a sorting manager. Did I manage to enter the singleton? I think the memory manager is a singleton, if I remember correctly. Yeah. Trying to think. Probably, I don't think there's an issue making it a singleton. Public, static, sorting manager, instance. Let's go to the memory manager, copy just this code. Multiple sorting managers found. Still need chest, playing cards, shop sprites, inside, NPC keys, buttons, money, monsters, enemies, card combat, backpack with the map, deck builder and items, dialogue, and way more. Is this like a solo game you're doing, pretty much? It's like you're the only one working on it? Yeah. Yeah, I kind of know the struggle sometimes for that. Unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to do that. I have no art skills, so I am a programmer through and through. That's about all I got in me. I can't draw for shit. Let's make ourselves a couple lists. Do we make a list of food type or just let's make a list of game objects and we'll call this the dog food. No, not dog rooms, cat food. Candy slash food based RPG with playing cards using them for puzzles and combat which you can find, unlock, and buy. Yeah, that sounds cool, but also complex as hell. So, oh yes, cat, my favorite. Bird food. I think I could make these new lists out here. Yeah, pretty much my experience so far has just been in platformers and in narrative games. Well, the RPG part is done for now. Gameplay, okay. Oh, that's probably good. I mean, that's probably like that requires a good bit of tinkering and stuff. I figure to get right, to get feeling good as well. So I guess now you're kind of more in the puzzle routes type stuff. Let's see, dog food, cat food, bird food. As a tile editor inside the game. Ooh. That's fancy. I actually had to, in a split screen. Okay, I've never done split screen stuff before. Yeah, I've actually done something similar with a tile editor in one of the games I made before. Freaking split screen. I can imagine that was pretty difficult. But yeah, I know how a tile editor can be, because in one of the games I made like a little level editor, which I mean it's pretty much just you put down different tiles and stuff. So. I want to see it? Sure, if you got a link to it, I'll check it out. If I get Overwatch 2, can I play with you the next time you play? Sure, we can probably work something out. I don't know about the next time I play, but we can work something out. Yeah. Alright, hold on a second. Uh, Let me move this down here. Give me 1 second. The stream chat's currently off the stream. Most left one then. Okay. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can get it running then. Oh. My bad. Sorry about that. Let me see. Let me see if I can go get. Do I have a window thing on this? This will work. Shoot. Let me share this to this. Alright, let me get this set up. That's trying to sound like you died. Yeah, no, like I said, I've been sick for like the last couple of days. Really, it's been a while, but I'm recovering. So sorry about that. I didn't mute my mic in time for that cough. That was on me. But you can make it bigger. Okay. Yeah, I see now. Okay. I guess read the instructions though is the issue. So 0 is for the editor. Okay. Move WASD. Yeah, I got that. Building layers 1, 2, and 3. Okay. P is collision editor. Alright. 1 is add collision point, exclude collision point, select tile, playstyle, space, multi-build. Okay. So I can run around, I see. Ooh. Oh, that's actually interesting. P, you can edit collisions. Got it. So like this is like making stuff like have no collisions. So is this? This has no collisions. I'm assuming that if I go put down this one. No, but okay. Maybe I don't understand the point of what it means by collision editor. Yeah, but I can definitely see how this is like. This actually is kind of cool. Like how I can make my own levels and stuff. Well, make my own backgrounds and stuff, pretty much. You also have no collision. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. I can definitely see it being kind of annoying. There's a lot of stuff in here as well. Shoot, I could build like a whole. What's space? Oh. It's space then. Space is a multi-build. Okay. Wow, there's a lot more I thought there was in here. Pressing the left bottom part of the house. Hold on, let me go back to the house. Those are down here, so click here. Oh. That is very nice, actually. Okay, I get this now. That is actually really nice for building stuff like this. Like, oh, that makes the building so much easier. Wow. Yeah, that is a very nice like quality of life feature you have in there. It's in Minecraft. I walk to the left. Okay. Oh, there's more than one screen? Oh, okay, that makes sense. So I'm guessing the game itself is kind of built like this as well? To where it's like it's wrapping around the screen repeatedly? Multiple screens, multiple scenes. Yeah, this is actually really cool, man, not gonna lie. This is a lot better than the level editor I made, so. Although that one was just more of a class, and I mean, I didn't really know what I was doing, so. So I guess this little thing works for like anything? It does. Oh. Go on 1 point, white point, and press 1. Is that adding collision? That means that like I'll only collide with like the bottom essentially if I do like that. It's like blue means there is collision in this point. At this point. Flip. Do you like the rain or sunshine better? I mean, I prefer the rain if I'm inside. Sunshine if I'm outside. I don't like being out in the rain, but I do like the rain. So, yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, so it's like okay. Yeah, so this stuff kind of comes like predetermined collision, basically. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Okay, I see it's kind of like a corner piece there. Same thing with that, okay. It's really fun to do stuff like this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Same thing on this side. Nice. Versus like the rain when I'm outside, the sun when I'm inside. I mean, I guess that's fair. I could see why you could like it like that. Boom, boom, boom. Try pressing P and then 3, then place something. So P, 3, and walk to the play style. Oh, okay. So yes, now is it? Okay, so only layer 3 is only one that's above the player then. Flips building the castle. I'm trying. So I can trade my body and not get a cold even when I'm soaking cold in the rain. I mean, you know what? That might work, honestly. I don't know. 1 and 2 equals collisions that are behind the player. And 3's like this is just three's kind of like overhang. I don't know if you have like kind of like just like tree brush type stuff. I would say that's kind of what it'd be used for. Or like a floor above you. Make the longest bed ever. Let's see. I gotta find the bed again. There's a little bed for a giraffe now. Oh yeah, I think this tile is probably like the more like kind of like like the brush whatever. Oh, look at the 2 water tires and fire. Yeah, so see this fire's animated. Let's see. Let me go find the water tiles. Just how tall Flip is. He's 16 foot. Here's a water tile. And here's the other one. Ooh, that's nice. Also, that's nice how they also like the water tiles line up with each other. I'm on layer 3. Hold on a second. How do I? Oh, why would they do that? I have made something new. Hi. Welcome. Neil is the best 25. This is cool, man. This is a cool thing you got. This is a really nice level editor. I don't know. You're still planning on adding more into this? Because that's kind of like the main thing that made me kind of stop making my level editor. Because the game I was working on is just because all the stuff I have to keep adding to it. Every time we add something new, it's like, man, I gotta add this to the level editor, all this stuff. Yeah. I mean, is your plan to kind of like have people build their own maps and let them play on their own maps, or is this just kind of like a for fun thing? Make a cool looking map yourself type thing. It's just for me later. That's fair. That's fair. Yeah, I have to tell you put a lot of work into this though, and it's pretty good, man. Not gonna lie. Like just navigating it and all this stuff. It's like it ent the world really easy while playing the game. Yeah, that's a smart idea. I can see how you like you make it with this. And you're like, well, I actually don't like how this looks. Let me go replace that with a rock type stuff. Yeah, that's smart. Kind of wish I had done that with my level editor. Let me see. I could go pull up mine. This is the game we made. It's we made this as part of a team, but this is the only level editor I've made. I love having this power. I think it's still here. Yes, it is. But I mean, it's pretty simple. So, but it's basically just like it doesn't even have everything in the game. That's we kind of gave up on it. But you can like place down wall stuff, and then you put that in your player, and then you can kind of move around and do stuff. But it's for making it was kind of just go to as a challenge by a professor when we were making it for a class. But that's a visual bug. You can change different stuff about each one. Then I can edit the target cut level to be this, so I can like go boom, 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 and then I win. Oh, it is broken though. Cat? No, this is a dog. It's been a while since I've actually touched that. It is deprecated to say the least. So it is not something we want to continue for. We probably should take it off this bill on itch, honestly, but because it seems to be broken now. But yeah, your level editor is really nice, man. I wish like when I made I wish ours was more like this, but it's more different style of the game, so we can't exactly do like everything you have done, honestly. I don't know, if I ever go back to that game, I might try to make it more like this, because like this is really nice and easy to use what you have, so. Easy to use, easy to understand. Kinda love the upward tiles. Which tiles are the upward tiles? The ramp thing. Thought the go flip, sorry I couldn't say long way back. It's all good, Hunky. To the left, the both platforms, I mean, basically. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. More. I can't go left anymore. This is as far left as I can go in the screen. All the way top left. Oh, this. Oh, okay. Okay. These, I mean the two. I love them. Yeah, it's actually really nice. They do actually give off this kind of sense of it being like you're on a different level. Even though, I mean, I can imagine you really didn't have to change much except for kind of put some lines on the side of them. But it was a pretty easy like trick to go and make it look like you're on a whole different level. Yeah, you can still like put stuff on the inside as well. They've up like some different layer as well. You can kind of like overlayer stuff as well. Put like a little tree up here with a pot on the side of the cliff. It's like a little, how was it, a little pit as well. Okay, that's not as good, but don't worry about that. Got the pit there. Yeah, this is really cool though, man. Really nice. All the art looks good as well, I will say. Got some pretty very different, varied, environments as well. Makes up a big rug. Yeah, I really like this holding space thing. It's like make the doors and pits work. I mean, that's fair, but for now, it's just, you know, at least you can still put them down, something like that, so. Bop, 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 bop. So it's very cool, man. Very cool. I gotta give you props. This is pretty impressive, so. Now to figure out what, back to what I was working on before. Gotta figure out what exactly it was. Oh yeah, working on this. So I have the different list of this. Put this in awake, not start. Let's start off a public void. Add item. I'm gonna start on cards, I think. Yeah, that makes sense. That's like the next big part besides RPG, right? It's kind of like the card element, so. I guess I mean, this should never be null. So we're gonna take in a game object. Item. Let's see. We need a sorting piece. Piece is equal to item dot get component sorting piece. The piece is not null. That way we don't have to worry about errors and stuff. Excuse me. Piece dot. I guess really we make a let's just make statements. If piece dot food or dot type. Yeah. Or wait, no. Is equal to foods dot dog kibble. Oh, I'll change it. I got everything to candy. It's about 450 sprites. Oh no. All that work you put in. Unfortunately, that's just how game development goes sometimes. Sometimes you do something and you realize, I did this completely wrong. And I wasted like the last 10 hours of my life. Now I get to do it again. Why can't I do this? Operates a food type and foods. Oh, type dot food type. There we go. That's okay. That makes sense. I made a copy of the game. Okay, that's smart. I need to change again for a normal RPG. Yeah, I use GitHub for all my stuff, so that's kind of how I keep track of stuff. I just have a whole bunch of different branches and stuff. So let's see if equals the dog food. Oh, let's also make sure if dog food dot contains item. It's not already in the list. The dog food dot add item. Else if piece dot type dot food type is equal to foods dot cat kibble. one more time for birds. And yeah, I'm doing this because I'm gonna have each piece on start add itself to the list, so I know exactly how many of each food is in the scene and how many of each food needs to be sorted. That's my idea for doing this. I don't think I need update right now, so. And then we'll make another one, public void item sorted. And once again, we're gonna need we're gonna need the game object item. I have this being sorted, but also we're gonna need a reference to the drop spot it came from. We'll call it just pile. So, it's out of here, actually. We're gonna make a, I know you do game dev too. Yeah, I do. No, I mean, I went to school to learn all about game dev. I don't do as much as I probably should, but yeah. I also do some game dev. Let's see. We're gonna need a reference to the food. It's not the foods, yeah, I guess it's just foods, yeah. Let's make it public, honestly. Public foods. This will be the, drop spot type. I do game dev. Same, good to know. Yes, I need to get more into it, but I don't know. I've kind of been lazy recently, so let's see. Item sorted, so we gotta make sure if the item dot. Nope, actually we need the sorting piece again. Item like a component, and if the piece dot type dot food type is equal to the pile dot drop spot type. Oh. Oh. Actually, it's maybe easier to do equals foods dot dog kibble and pile dot drop spot is equal to foods. Basically, just checking to make sure it's the same for both of them. They're both equal to dog kibble, which means you put the dog kibble in the dog kibble pile. Actually, let's make yourself a and I'm just doing some web dev. Nice. Yeah, I do. Well, my job was mostly front end development, but we'll be doing that soon. So. Piece that type was food type. Dog type. So then dog food sorted plus plus. And let's just go copy this, do the same thing for other types of food real quick. These things biggest else ifs really. Really should be commenting some of the stuff as well, honestly. Bird food sorted. And then I guess after each time we'll check if the dog food sorted is equal to let's see, we start at 0. Yeah, so just dog food dot count -1 and cat food sort is equal to cat food. I count -1. And bird food is equal to bird food. Oh, so the bird food sort is equal to bird food dot count -1. Excuse me. And dog food, cat food, bird food. If they're all there, then you won. Man, I never done backend. I'm sure I'm open to learn. I've never done a backend development either. I just know that it's I don't know. I've seen the memes about it being not fun, so I think it's between a front end and backend developer, so I think I'm glad my choice to go front end mostly, but I do want to get into actual just a game dev in general, like work for a company, stuff like that. But if food sorted, U1, yeah, I think it's pretty good for now. More about the U1 stuff later. So I think we could finally go back into here. And we have our first sorting piece. So let's make this a sorting piece underscore dog. So this is supposed to be the oh, let's make 3 of these. One's gonna be for the cat. One's gonna be for the bird. And so the dog one's gonna have dog, cat, bird. Alright, so all that's been assigned. And dog one we're gonna make a nice brownish color. I think Kimball's normally like a lighter brown, so that's probably fine. Cat, we're gonna make more reddish, like a light red. And bird, I don't know, or it's gonna make it kind of yellowish, I guess. I don't really know what color bird seed is. I think the dogs is too dark, make it a little lighter. Like that, okay, so we got three types of food. Nope, that's the wrong thing. I mean, not me to zoom it all the way in there. Alright, got that, boom, boom, boom. Let me think. So now we need to make the drop spots. So another image. This one's gonna be the dog drop spot. Nope, that's the wrong one. I want to change the width. Make it wider and taller. And we're going to need ourselves a box collider 2D so that we can actually drop stuff onto it. And we're going to need a drop spot. And this drop spot type is going to be dog kibble. Yep. So let's copy paste you. This one over here is going to be the cat drop spot. Change the cat kibble. And we'll make this one like, I think this one kind of like orange-ish, I guess, just so it stands out. And one more over here for the bird drop spot. There we go. Kind of just to differentiate all three. And you know what? Actually, I'm gonna go back into here instead of just Instead of just doing this, let's also go debug.log u1 so we know it actually works. So now it's on sorting piece code. We just make ourselves a start method. And then we either do sorting manager.instance.add item, and we'll give it the game object. That should be good. And then a drag drop, nope, a drop spot, when something gets dropped on it. Let's do sorting manager dot instance dot, what did I name the method? What did I name this method? Item sorted, that's what I named it, okay. I think I do event data dot pointer drag dot game object, and then give it this. Alright, that should work, I think. Let's give this a try and see how it looks. Hoping no errors, we'll have to see. No errors. Okay, and if we got the dog, which should go here. This is the bird, this is the cat. Okay. So, because nothing logged the console, something it didn't work, which is to be expected. Let me see. Why didn't this work? Oh wait, maybe it's a canvas group. Canvas group. Canvas group. Let me also go make these just kind of match. Well, no, I matched the color, but let's see. What else? What else could have been the issue? I don't want this to be in front of the other image. So I guess I need to go and just kind of put these up here. Let's try this again. So this one should go there. Actually, hold on a second. I'm thinking, maybe I don't actually want to speak count -1. Now I'm thinking about it. I think it's actually gonna be wrong, because right now I'd be checking if it's all 0. I think I want it just to be equal to count, yeah. But let me go debug.log sorting item. We'll see how this works. If this works. That is a better question. Not how, if. Okay, it is sorting the item. Oh, I won. Okay, that makes sense, I guess, why. Let me go try this. Yeah, because before it was checking also 0, but one was saying 1, that makes sense, so. Let me try putting it to the wrong ones. Okay, yeah, nothing happened, but if I go move this, this, and that, then I win. Okay, nice. So, yeah, I guess this video game's pretty much done. It's pretty much just gonna be now. I just gotta go make like, actually first, let's go prefab all this stuff. That's very important. Sorting, minigame. Sorting piece dog, sorting piece cat, sorting piece bird. Let's go ahead and make, also get, I guess, get the drop spots as prefabs as well, why not? Then, I really want to make the whole canvas as well, I think that's what they did here as well. Yeah, canvas of the piece. let's go and just add a couple more of each. Let's just go like bop, 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 bop. And now it's time to kind of go and just throw these suckers out and around, you know? Just go and randomize every piece location. Whop, whop. Boom. 3, 4. It's not gonna look the best, but it's really not supposed to look the best right now. It's kind of, you know, it's like just a big handful of just food basically be throwing around, so. Did I get enough dog? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think that's 5, okay. Let me go just copy some more of these. There definitely can be more, so let's go move this guy over here. Down here. Whop, whop. Move this bird up here. This is the glamorous part of game development they don't tell you about. Use more yellows over here, why not? And then let's add just a couple more of just like, let's add like 2 more birds and everything else, I guess. Yeah, just gotta keep things nice and 2 more birds. We'll add 1 more cat piece. All right, let's give this a try and see. Will this work? So let's see. We need to go dog, 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 dog. Let's get all the dog pieces in. Oh, okay. So a lot of dogs are still kind of grouped up there. Yellow, yellow. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, some cats are still locked on each other. Got that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Nothing saying I won. There's only 15 things though. I feel like there's definitely more than 15. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, 16, 17, 18. Okay, here's 2 that are on top of each other. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, there's like 30, I think, pieces in total from my short count. Let's move this up here. Huh. So let's see, bird, 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 and bird. That should be in all the birds sorted. I don't know if I test that, just see that, do I? Now there's 9 dogs. So we should have got 11. We only got 2. Oh, wait. I don't know why we only got 2. It's because once it's in there, it's not going to be as droppy anymore. Because they're hitting each other. That's the issue. If there's any overlap. And they start blocking each other's stuff. What's the best way to fix that? Try to think. If I don't want it to block each other... I really don't know actually. I gotta like disable some. Well, if I disable blocking raycast, then hmm. I think that's what's going on. Hold on, let me go. Let's go. Let's go do suicide focus mode and see. Is that really what's going on, or is it something else? So let's look at the console. Bird. Bird. Yeah, it is it. Let's think currently I can currently go do like this. Just gotta cheese it that way. Yeah, so this is blocking each other. Why is it blocking each other? If I turn off raycast, so let me go. Okay, so that's this. So I'll turn off this one. It's raycast, and I can't pick it up anymore. But if I was gonna drag a bird on top of it, then yeah. So oh well. I guess the question is, should they even be able to move it after it's inside the box? And I think the answer is probably no. Once you put it in one, you probably should be able to pick it up and move it. That's to make it easier. Well, assuming it's the right one, that is. Also, what happens if I go put like... Oh, okay, yeah, that's gonna be a little bit of an issue. That should be kind of easy though, honestly. If I go to here and I go into drag drop. Excuse me. I think really just what I do, I just on drag set this transform dot. What is it, like child? No. Parent? No, what's it called? Well, I'm gonna change the position. Yeah, set as first sibling. And I don't think that should really matter too much. It's kind of gonna mess up this ordering, but it is really. Well, actually, he does care about the ordering a little bit. So let's go make a sorting pieces. Yeah, let's make another object in here. Put all the pieces out of this. So then now this should be just from itself, and then what we're also gonna go do is out of here, the drop spot. I guess really just out of sorting manager, yeah. And then here the piece dot get component. image dot raycast target equals false for all of them. Basically, like once you put it down, if it's the right piece, you can't put it down anymore. They're also gonna do piece dot transform dot set as last sibling. So that means if it's a piece wrong piece, this should be below it. Or actually, no, wait, hold on, let me think. No, we want this to be a first sibling. Because it's the other way around. The lower on the list you are, the stuff goes in front of you. So, set these as the first siblings. And then when we do this, we set as last siblings, so it's always on top. I think that should be better now. Let us test. So, put the red one down here. I can no longer pick it up. If I put a brown one here, then I can't pick this one up. Yeah, because this one still doesn't go here. I'll just put like another one on top of it. Oh, that's not what I want to happen. I want this to be below it. Huh. 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 Okay, I think I just need to move this line from on drag to on begin drag, and that might fix it all. Let's give that a try and see. So let's go put dog here, can't pick it up anymore. I'm gonna put this bird on top of that, then put the dog there. Now that's still... Almost the full world is white. Cream. Nice. Okay, so that's also, that's not great as well though, but this can still block stuff. Yeah, that's still blocking it, that's not what I want. I'll have to investigate that more, but for now it kinda works. Put the right thing down. Vanilla cream, not sus cream, okay? I mean, look, I wasn't gonna say anything, man. You're the one who brought it up. Boom, boom. Yeah, okay, at least you can't pick these up anymore, that's good. But there's still the issue of, like, if you put a wrong one there, you can put a good one on top of that wrong one, that kind of blocks it. So I'll look more into that on my own, I feel like. I don't entirely know why, but then I can put all these down in there. And then boom, boom, boom. Oh, this one was hiding. I won, alright. Yeah, so it works. It's not the best. Still some kinks here and there. Let me see. It's better though. I want to change this color to be more bright. So that way the yellow stands out more against it. Let's see. What can I go and do to fix this? I might have to go check into my other game. Because I feel like my other game we didn't have this problem before. Might turn the bridges into waffles. That's if you're going for candy theme, yeah, I think that's a good idea. Or you could do like chocolate bridges, be like chocolate bars. But that's still kind of waffle-like, you know. You get like a Hershey's bar. It's still like pretty waffle-like, with all like little ridges and stuff it has on it. So, and actually, I feel like I do chocolate rivers actually. So, yeah, chocolate. Well, yeah, exactly. Be like Charlie the Chocolate Factory. Hot chocolate, yes. Have marshmallow rocks in the water. Let's see. You can try making it just sort of like hard candy, or like gumdrop bridges, something like that. But yeah, waffles would work. Waffles would feel kind of weird though if everything else is like directly candy though. Could be fun fact. We'll watch Walk on 12/22/2023. That's not too far. Yeah, I've heard people say it's actually a pretty decent movie. I haven't seen it myself, but I don't know. Maybe like peppermint bridges would kind of fit the theme better instead of waffles. It could just be me though, but what was I? Let's see. Back to this. So I'm just trying to think. Why is it when I when I drop the food atop each other, I want like just not look at each other. Well, time the first actually make the ground white. Oh, let's see. I'm just setting the position of it. Hmm. Really trying to think here. I don't know what the issue is. Because I can't just turn off the raycast blocking. Um, drag spot. Hmm. Actually, I wonder if I could just turn off. If I go make the pieces, if I'll give tag, we're making like another one layer, I guess. We'll call this just sorting piece. Apply to all the dog ones. Sorting. Well, this may actually cost visual to see. Then I can go into File or Edit, Project Settings. I'll make the trees cotton candy or lollipops though. I feel like they always do lollipops in shows and stuff. So that's probably like the safe one. Or candy cane trees. Oh, never mind. I forgot I have two trees. There you go. You can use both right there. Then we gotta go to physics. And we just make the sorting piece not interact with the sorting piece, I think. And we'll see if this may fix there's anything. Boom. No, it is not. It still breaks it. Even though I'm telling you to ignore each other. Well, actually, did I do it right? Maybe I forgot to do it. No, yeah, sorting piece to sorting piece. Sorting piece to sorting piece. I tell it, don't use collisions from there. Huh. Also tell you, no, I need to do with the UI, otherwise I feel like one hit the back of this piece. Why is, I feel like they should do something though. Maybe that's not how the drag drop stuff. Maybe drag drops not collision based. Actually don't know how the drop stuff works, just on the point event data. I guess if I make it well, let me think. What I may need to go do, right? Okay, is if I go to the code and make more. Now there's more methods here. So public void, nope, void, enable all raycast, and public void disable all raycast. We're really enjoying making the deck builder. That's good. Yeah, you want to work on games that you actually enjoy, so. But I get to see how. There's lots of you can go do with that. A lot of intricacies and stuff like that. That'll be fun to code. Let's make another list here. Or a sorted. Nope, sorry. Game object. Make it. Call it sorted is equal to new list, a game object. And we scroll down here and sorted.add piece.game object. And then so for disabling all raycast, basically for each piece of dog food sorted, no, just dog food. Was it? I think it's piece dot raycast or not transform. Nope. I need to go get the image component. Is that equal to false for each one of those? I did the same thing here. And then one more time for the bird food. We should just turn off all the raycast collisions for all of them. But then when one's enabled, basically do the same thing, set the true, but nope. But I go. Thanks a lot, bye man. Hope you enjoyed. Good night, sir. Good night. Once we got this here. If sorted dot contains piece dot game object. Oh, here's someone in the background while coding. Not. So this is pretty much it for each of those. If it's not in the sorted list, you by recovering. Oh, I'm sick right now, so I'm still a little sick at the moment. I've been sick for the past couple of days, so. My voice is a little bit out of it, so. Yeah, my voice is definitely better than it was yesterday, I think, but I'm still pretty congested and stuff, so. So let's see, undrag, drop. I think the only time we're gonna use. Oh no, I might help you get well soon. Yeah, it's starting to get better. It's just kind of being slow. I feel a lot better than I did a couple days ago, so I am getting better. Good night. See you, man. Thanks for stopping by. Um, I don't think drag drop's gonna be used anywhere else. So, but just to be safe, we'll do if sorting manager dot instance does not equal null. Wrong way. Then sorting manager dot instance dot disable all raycast. And then do the same thing here in drop spot. Gosh, why does it scratch up a button that changes all from that color you clicked onto the color selected? Yeah, I never use scratch, so I don't know. I don't know if there's actually a way to go do that, but I can imagine that pretty annoying. That's like not using prefabs in Unity, pretty much. So on drop, then we're gonna enable all raycast. Well, let's see if this fixes anything. Yeah, I guess that sounds really annoying though, not gonna lie. So we put that there. Yes, it works. That fixed it. Nice. See if I have something that's wrong there. I can go put it behind it. Bop, 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 bop. Boom, 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 boom. You won! Yeah, game over. Alright. Let me think. I don't think what else the game mode really needs. It doesn't really need much else, I feel like. And then you got the U1 UI set up, obviously, but I think we technically already have that with this as well, the Win UI. Which needs to be put down here. Alright, so let's go back into the code. And in the sorting manager down here when you win, let's get yourself a reference to the game object. We'll call this win UI. Try guessing my favorite game. Hint: DS Mario and Luigi game has a phantom/vampire as a villain. See, I didn't play that many Mario games in the DS. It's Mario and Luigi? So it can't be any Luigi Mansions game. Was it one like the Paper Mario games? I know the Paper Mario has some like kind of wild and different villains. The game is about dreams. Oh, I don't remember the name of it, but I think I know what you're talking about. It's not Paper Mario. God, what is it called? Like I think I can like envision it in my head, but I don't remember what the name of it was. Dream. Super Mario Luigi Dream Team Bros. That's what it was. I knew it was Dream something. I just didn't remember what the second word was. Yeah, the only like Mario game I ever played on the DS was Mario 64. So that's like the one I ever like played. I didn't really play like very much Mario at all, honestly. I don't think I even play like any of the Wii games for him. Well, I did have I did have Paper Mario, but Villain and Tosma, which boss music slaps. Nintendo can make some pretty good music most of the time, so. Multiple. Okay, let's see. So go back down to here, then when UI dot set active true. There's a video where someone sings the boss music. Well, they probably have that for like every freaking like every music pretty much. This was someone out there who definitely go do it. All right, so let's just go. Oh, why is it not liking? Value cannot be null. Unity self. What is it talking about? Let me just go see. I don't know what it's talking about. Unity.self? Bo- bo- You Oh yeah, I forgot that doesn't do anything, so let me go. I'll give it a listen. No, I see that they pretty much like they they added like they basically dubbed it. This is interesting so far. Alright, I think this is pretty much done for like, at least a decent prototype. I mean, once everything looks good. Let's see. Sorting prototype. I think the prototype's pretty much ready for this mini game. Alright, so that's 2 mini games I managed to finish. For anyone else on my team has finished any. Wow. Well, I think it's pretty much done for now. I can't think of anything else that really needs to be made for this mini game, so. Let me see. I think I have. I don't know how to open any more actually. Give me 1 second. I need to go pull up the list of other mini games that need to be done for this game. Let's see. I did the member game. I did the sorting game. Let's see. There's finding an object in the overworld. We already have that. There's only really worry about that. Sneaking mini games. Yeah. They want like a jigsaw puzzle type thing. Which, that's not gonna be hard. How to 116 starts slapping. It's slapping right now. I'm at like 4 minutes into the song, so. I guess I'm gonna work on this jigsaw puzzle thing next, honestly. So I have to do a lot of the easier puzzles, so it's really be too manual else to really finish stuff, I guess. $2.16, okay. Not one, so 116 was dumb low. Okay, yep, you're right. You're right, that is part which was slapping. Alright, let's see, what else should I do? What else should I do? Jigsaw's gonna be pretty similar to this. Ooh, that's how it's also gonna be drag and drop. So I guess I can just kind of add another one to the drop spot type. That's for foods though. I'll just make another one for food that's just like not a food or not food. I think it'll be fine, honestly. I'm gonna merge this into dev for all the sorting stuff we did today. Alright, so yep, that's good. I'm not gonna delete that branch just yet. Let me go back to dev and pull everything in. Alright. A new branch called Jigsaw. What's going to be the best way to do this? I guess the first thing I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna go prefab. I made this Rachel the wrong thing? Oh, it's like I might have made Jigsaw the wrong one. We need to delete this branch before we make another one. New branch off of dev. Yeah, that's what I want. Jigsaw. Okay, now it's like this. So now I could go make another. Well, first of all, I'll go prefab the sorting minigame canvas. I guess I also do the sorting manager, but it doesn't really have much in it, so. Let's make a new scene. Call this Jigsaw. And let's really just go in the memory. No, I'm sorry, memory sorting. I'm gonna copy all this over first, but then, I mean, we're going to unpack everything. Oh, we don't need these. We do need a drop spot type, so let's get rid of all these. We don't need the sorting pieces, but these will be jigsaw pieces. Let's get rid of all except for the 3. When UI could stay, that's good. This could be the jigsaw minigame canvas. We got the minigame background, which really that should be its own prefab now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, let me go do that real quick. We'll just call this like minigame essentials. And we'll just go prefab the background and the Win UI, because like everyone's gonna have that, so if we go to matching, might be easier for this one just to use it differently, because this one's kind of set up in a different way. Well, no, I just make another. No, I'll leave that as it is for now. Sorting this minigame background. Go delete this one and bring in the new prefabbed one. Should we go and apply to prefabs? That's they have to apply for all of them. And now we go to the jigsaw one. So I gotta figure out how we're gonna do this. Because I don't know how many pieces they want. I think maybe 5 pieces would be enough. So we need 5 drop spots. Five drop spots. But they're going to have to be like specifically sized and shaped. Trying to think. Well, I can kind of make. No, I can't make it shape like that. Give me a second. I'm thinking. I'm gonna have multiple drop spots. They're gonna be kind of like all in like a similar shape and sizes. I mean, as long as the pieces are the same size as the drop spots, you know, it shouldn't really matter the sizing, so I should just be able to set it's like the position of the drop spot. So let's just try with jigsaw drop spot. So there's one, we'll have another one right here, a little bit of a gap. Other one right here. Another one. I feel like we actually want like 6. Well, even then, it's still pretty easy. Maybe you want like no. Maybe you want 16. I guess it would just really be hard, I guess. It's just too big for it to be like a 3x3 right now. I'll say too big. I could just, you know, move stuff down a little bit. It probably would still fit, yeah. Move these over here. Let's move these a little more to the left as well. Then you have like your pieces, right? I don't care about AI navigation. Go away. I want to use AI navigation. Pieces like this, you know, they'd be more like just kind of layer on top of each other over here. Maybe because it like piece by piece. You only like one piece at a time. Then you can pretty much just drag this, put it on there. So the drag and drop should be fine. This is the drop spot code we have to worry about now. I guess this will be, let's go to the code, and this will be if drop spot type does not equal. Let's make it actually, instead of this, we'll call this jigsaw specifically. So equal foods dot jigsaw. Then we do this stuff. This is like you're like sorting it by food pretty much. Do that. Then this is else. Otherwise. Else. If event data point drops not equal null, the same thing, but instead of doing that, we're gonna want to like set the position equal to the drop spot. Well, we also want like this fit the entire space as well. Let's look at this real quick. Can I make one of these pieces the size of one of these? So the better question is, I just have a, okay, I can fit a drop spot over here pretty easily without it taking up all the space, so. Delete that. Get the height. And we'll get the width as well for this. And let's go copy paste these 2 more times so we have 9 in total. Hmm. So let's see, if it's gonna be 9 as well, we're gonna need a script. Jigsaw. So we'll name this just pieces. I'd probably do puzzle pieces just to make sure. Don't actually use this to do something else for like this. Let's do puzzle underscore pieces. Now I think I'll change the name inside the class, but puzzle underscore pieces. Let's be just an enum. Any of that. So we got top left, top right, top middle. Then we got, I call it like middle left, middle right, middle center. Then we got bottom left, bottom right, bottom middle. That's the 9 different piece combinations there could be for all of them. So instead of each one of these being a sorting piece, remove that. Remove. Shouldn't this? I'm gonna get rid of these first, then we'll re-add these later. But now we need to make just a jigsaw piece. Oh, I know I misspelled that file name. Forgot the E. It's jigsaw PX. There you go. Now it's jigsaw piece. I'm gonna apply it to all these. So does that put on there twice? No, just once. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go into the code. We're going to go fix that real quick. These are just gonna have the public puzzle pieces piece. Alright. Well, actually, you know what? I don't really. Alright, yeah, then I'm gonna go in here and copy paste. Then this will be, see, we got top left, top middle, top right, middle left, middle center, Wait. Why is this stuff not... Oh, so I got middle left. This will be middle right. Middle center. I don't know why it's kind of not lined up correctly. We got bottom left. Bottom right. Bottom middle. I guess really honestly all these should also get a I guess a jigsaw piece script. These also respond to each spot as well, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see, this one is bottom middle, bottom left, bottom middle, bottom right, middle right, middle center, middle left. You'll get the jigsaw piece component from that, and then also event data dot pointer drag. Get that from there as well. Oh, let me cry my fingers real quick. Alright. Then holder piece. Then if holder dot piece is equal to piece dot piece, then piece dot transform dot position is equal to holder dot transform dot position, and piece dot get component image dot raycast target is equal to false. Basically make it, you can't select it anymore if it's the right, if it goes in the right spot. Yeah, I think it's also you know what, let's just see if this works. So I don't actually remember the order. I think this goes... Oh, why can I select any of these? Oh, I drag drop, yeah. I can't actually grab any of them. I thought they were in that. Raycast target. Why can't I grab these anymore? I didn't change anything for drag drop. Huh. Oh wait. Is it because no? These have the jigsaw minigame canvas slot line. What's the difference between them and sorting pieces? Yeah, the sorting piece script instead. But this just essentially the same type of thing as Jigsaw. It doesn't actually do anything, so. Oh, can I grab these now then? I don't understand what happened. Next I'll move these just fine. Oh wait, no I can't. Able to grab one, but that's been it. Why can't I grab any more of these? I was doing the fine earlier. Let me... What happened? I'm gonna what is I am so confused what has happened.
11:57 p.m.
Okay, I can move one. But once I stop now... Yeah, because none of these have the raycast target enabled anymore. Oh, wait, that makes me because I was dumb. Hold on a second. Let's see. If we go to drop spot. Yeah, okay, it also does that. So I guess we also want to whenever we drop it. We want to do that. Basically, if it's there, enable them all. Let's see if that fixes it, but it doesn't break how it was working before. And now I can drag multiple again if I do this, that, and then that. Oh, it still works. Okay, we're good. We are good. Yeah, so this works fine. So why is the jigsaw stuff not working? I think I'm bigger. I can't grab them at all now. Let me go the jigsaw pieces. I mean, the box collider is the entire thing. Hmm. Honestly, I don't know what's going on, and I'm starting to not feel the best right now, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream now, though. I managed to complete what I wanted to complete, was the sorting minigame today, so that's good. But yeah, I'm gonna take a break. Although I'm not feeling the best, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I hope to see you guys again next time. Bye.